Welcome. If you're tired of getting those constant live video notifications from your Facebook page and want to know how to disable them using the latest Facebook app update on your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through each step clearly and simply so you can take back control of your notifications in just a few minutes. First, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account on your PC and that you're using the updated Facebook app interface. Once you're ready, let's get started. Start by looking at the top right corner of your Facebook page. There you'll see your profile photo. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a menu with several options for your account. From this menu, find the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded menu. This will bring you to the main settings page, where you can customize all sorts of aspects of your Facebook experience. Next, on the left-hand sidebar, scroll down until you see Notifications. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a list of all the types of notifications Facebook can send you. Now, look for the section labeled Video. Click on this, and you'll see options related to video notifications, including live videos. Here's the important part. Find the toggle that says Allow Notifications on Facebook. This setting controls whether you get any notifications for live videos at all. If you want to stop receiving live video notifications, simply turn this toggle off. Once you do, Facebook will stop sending you alerts whenever someone goes live on your page. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully disabled live video notifications for your Facebook page. Now you can browse Facebook without unnecessary interruptions and stay focused on the updates that really matter to you. Thanks for watching.